I'm Matt Hanson. I'm a professional triathlete. I've been riding with QR for 4 years now. We wanted to do a couple videos today to show you some basic cleaning and maintenance stuff on a bike, because a well-maintained bike and a clean bike is a fast bike. And we're going to take the top storage off. That's a 3mm, nice and easy. Storage off. We want to put the screws back into the frame so we don't get any water in the frame. We're taking the seat post off here, the cue box off. There's a little lever here and then another one down there, so that you can just slide this right off. The top storage off, we're just going to drop them in a bucket. We're going to give it a quick spray down, spray all the greasy parts. So start with the cassette, roll the wheel backwards, spray the big chain ring, getting everything wet. So I recommend using 2 separate brushes, a smaller brush for the greasier parts and the drivetrain, and then you also have a more general nylon brush for the frame. Easy to get a lot of gunk in the middle here in the hub, so you want to try to clean that a little bit. We'll hit that with the hose as well. Then again, a clean disc rotor is important. And then go around this side, quick and easy. So now we'll just spray everything down. Just want to get the soap off. So now that our bike's clean, we can take everything, get it back onto our frame, put the top storage back on. Now our cue box is ready to go back on. Just slot it in, make sure this little flange clips out, give it a pull up, make sure it's all set. Take the cap and make sure that flange comes out, give it a pull up. Make sure it's all gonna stay there. Then all you need to do is lower the seat post to the right setting and you're ready to ride. A clean bike is a fast bike.